another episode of Ganitheo Lang Yan. I wasn't able to post a video yesterday because I was very busy. So this was the only time that I'm available to create one. So for this episode of our Ganitheo Lang Yan, uh, I was planning to create uh, my presentation for my demo teaching. So I've decided that I show you how I'm going to make my presentation a lot better, because as you can remember, if you've watched the previous videos that I have, especially about PowerPoint, Slide Master, I've already created my template. So I've already created my template. So what I'm going to do now is to design it better using animations using hyperlink. So for today's episode, I'm going to show you how to add animations and how to use hyperlink. Because what if you want to make it interactive? Make our presentation interactive. Ganitheo lang yan. So let me, I've already opened the presentation that I've created. So what I'm going to discuss is all about types of media, and my lesson will basically focus on the different types of media. I'll have activities involved on while teaching this one. So in here, I have to define first what is media. Okay, so types of media, I have to define it. I want to make sure that I've already have a definition about it, because the types of media is lesson number 4 if I'm not mistaken, or number 3 if I'm not mistaken. So they've already discussed the definition of media, so there should be a review. So let's say we have a review here, and question would be, what is media? That will be the question. I want to make it more interactive, so I'm just going to delete this one, or change the layout rather. Let's just change it to title only, so review, and I'm going to insert a bubble, question bubble. Okay, this one, and edit text. What is media? Okay, that one. Let's make sure that our shape is colored yellow, and then our text is colored black. Of course, we will be using Adobe Gothic STD. Is that STD? STB. STDB. STDB, of course. Okay, why did I use this? Because I'm going to add a person here. So just one sec. We'll be searching for person. So let's just say, let's paste the one that I just copied. Okay, applying the previous topic of regarding editing pictures, we want to remove the background. So let's go to format, remove background. Yeah, we just want the guy. Keep changes. Okay, so let's just say this guy looks like me. Looks like me. just here. Okay, I think I'll just put that here. Just resize that one. Let's resize this guy. So we want to add animation. So animations and appear. It's the normal one. It's just appear. And then this one should also be appear. So if you want to play that, you just want to play this specific slide on your keyboard, you press Shift F5. Okay, so this specific slide. So this is the guy. So let's have a review. What is media? Okay, so we'll get some answers. Okay, so now that we have reviewed that, we want to have the different types of media, but I want it to be an activity. So let's change the layout to title only. Let's remove this. What are the types of what are the media? What are the media? Okay, so that's a question. Okay. Let's just change it to activity, and then we'll add this cartoon guy again, and then what are let's do some activity. Organize the media. Okay, so let's have a cloud in here. Choose that one. So let's insert the cloud. Okay, I want a cloud. I want rain in here, but I'll be inserting words in here. So let's change. So I want to make this cloud a rain cloud. So let's change that to grayish black. Okay, so it's going to rain. So inside the cloud, I want to make rains. Let's just change this one. Let's edit text. Let's say book. Okay. Let's add more. Newspaper. We have radio. We have television. We have YouTube. Let's add more. Let's say Facebook. Okay, and so on. So we want to make sure that these items will appear and then flow like a rain. So how am I going to do that? Flow like the raindrops. So how am I going to do that? So I'm just going to select all of these. So just make sure that you press Control on your keyboard whenever you're clicking to select your desired items. So Control, and then let's add animation as appear. So they should appear all together, and then I want this to flow like rains. So how are you going to do that? It's very simple and very easy. You just go to animation, and then there is more motion path. So let's see how do you want it. I think I like this one. A wave. there should be a path. Ah, teardrop. Okay, but no. Let's just change that one to be that position. Should be here. I think. Let's preview. Play from. Nah, I don't like it. I just want it to go down. Let's delete this one. Let's add more motions. Okay, I think this is yeah, I think that. Oh, so let's appear. Where is okay, is this it? No, it's not. So just make sure that when you are adding animation, you select it. And if you're going to add another animation, you click on add animation. Do not just select from here. Okay. So what we want is going down. Okay, but we want this to go here. Okay. Nope. Let's change it. Let's change that. Nah, I think I think that's better. And same goes with this one. Let's add animation, more motion down. Okay. And then let's make sure that they overlap.
Three, two, one.
So yeah. I'll do this for all. Just one second. Okay, so I've done this. Let's move that. Okay, so I've done the motion path. So, but we want to have it done after just one click. We don't want it to be clicking from time to time. So the first downward motion and then the succeeding one, you can highlight this, then right click, start after previous. So if you're going to play that, shift F5, see. So these are the content, and then goes raining, it's raining, and raining. Okay, so that's it. I think I put it overboard, so let's just move that one. I think it was too much. Okay, so that. And now, the next part would be the discussion of the types of media. What I'm going to do is change this to like the arrow. Let's just insert some lines like that. add some shapes again. So we have print. The shape fill will be yellow. Text is black. Uh-huh. Then we have broadcast. And then we have the new media. The new media. Okay. Okay. I think we're good. So let's add animation again. You already know how to add animation, so I'm just going to pause this video. I'll add some animations. Okay, so I've added the animation. The next part is to add the hyperlink. Okay, so the use of hyperlink is for you to navigate from one page to another page. Okay, by just clicking on the item. So for example, this one, I want to hyperlink this. Just right click and then hyperlink, and then select place in this document, and then we want types of media. I think this is slide 6. Okay, yep, that's it. So this should be print media, then hyperlink, places in this document, broadcast media, hyperlink, new media. Okay, there you go. And you want also to add a back navigation, but of course we want to have examples here, and then this is where we put the navigation back button. So let's add a button. Let's just add a back button here. Okay, let's just say back. Format, shape fill, text fill. Okay, and then hyperlink. We wanted to go back to your types of media. Okay, so if I play this, okay, so your types of media, you have your print media, your broadcast media, and new media. So if I click on, see, if you have a hyperlink and you hover your mouse over the hyperlinked item, the cursor will change to a hand. So let's say print will give me print media and 10 examples, and then I want to go back. See, I want to go to broadcast, and then so on. So that is how you can add animation and hyperlink with your presentation. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. I'll just continue and create that one so that it will be ready by Monday for my presentation for demo teaching. And I hope you learned something new today. And like what I've been saying, if you have some things you want me to teach you, just add a comment, and then I'll do my best to do it. Any course maybe, but not medicine, because I'm not expert on that. Anything, I'll do my best to teach it to you and explain it in more detailed or easy to understand explanation. Okay, so please again, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends for them to learn something new today. Thank you.